Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, gonna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you know, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, let me point out this. Without these two mobile devices, the prosecution has no case. Now, with that being said, chain of custody. The prosecution, the Odpp is so worried about chain of custody. Now, it was suggested that because the expert did not want to travel to the island because what is taking place worldwide, understandably, or overstandably. But they have said, no, they do not want to send the mobile devices overseas. The courier even suggested, a courier service where someone could come in person and sign for the devices and maintain the chain of custody somewhere offshores. Them say no to that as well. When people are sending all them passport through FedEx, I don't know what. Hey, anyway, now let's keep into mind, these are the same professionals who had the devices in their care when the device somehow dial off itself. Remember, these are issues that arose on the initial trial. And when the question was presented, how the phone left the locker, how the phone I make call, they simply said, them no knew. It was inexplicable. Them could not explain. No, these are not answers for professionals to give in a first world court of law. Remember, they are so concerned about chain of custody and guaranteeing the safety of the mobile devices when they themselves cannot guarantee that. And also, if they have said this, that all the evidence from the phone have already been documented, what do they have to worry about? And would you believe this will be the third time experts are looking at these mobile devices in the initial trial stage, even during the appeal stage, and then this time around. But pointing out this, all experts have already said this, that yes, the device was tampered with. They might try to stall as long as possible. Remember, the Odpp also said that Isaac should be patient. We don't know if they might try clean house before time, or if they themselves have plans for the mobile devices. But one thing for sure though, without these mobile devices, they have no case. Now someone commented and I say, I'm going to look on what specifically Isaac was filing for when he said the human rights. The end of the day is the entire trial and appeal itself was a zoo. It was a show. But they've never say it was a sham. But to the amount of things that take place just in the trial alone, the fact that they didn't change the jury, you got Uncle Gaza and point that out on a live recently too. After all of what take place, same jury, them decide to move forward. We notice this, there's always this coincidence. When it's convenient for them, them decide to tell you, say, boy, them a push it as fast as possible, so them give it a conclusion because of the long wait, because them know them already are dragged them feet. So just like for the appeal stage, when them decide, say, alright, during this moment, we are giving them a verdict now. Seeing it all go on worldwide. Just like with the trial. After delaying and stretching it out for much months, they decided to say, watching them, we'll keep the same jury and we're going to give them a guilty verdict. I will tell you this. When these devices reach the Privy Council, freedom is a must. Because this whole fiasco will take place with them call a court proceeding, a trial, an appeal trial. It was a big joke. And no doubt, judges at the Privy Council will see it as such. No doubt they will see it as such. For the many individuals who are now taking note of what going on, seeing it from a humanitarian aspect. I say, but wait, are individuals right? Then if everybody is presumed guilty, then what we are going to court for? And I saw it look for majority of citizens and residents residing in different areas too. But in this jurisdiction particularly, I saw we see it look. One law for some and one law for others. And each individual, or each of we individually, can account of a situation where either we sip on the news plainly or we know of personally. But we have seen examples of such. We are one law for some and one law for some other people. But what this case in particular point out to most citizens of the island is that this could happen to anybody who is not from that side of the demographic. I know it is not just about who have the dollars, because sometimes it's about who have the dollars, but then it's also about class. How you get your dollars. Sometimes it also boils up to that. And the dancehall's case, dancehall is still looked at as that art form of music that is supported by the inner city. It is still looked at as such. And sometimes even individuals, people overseas will tell you this, that some of the people who born rich, oil money, land money, them still look at celebrities, even though celebrities are millionaires, billionaires, as celebrities. It's almost like it's a thing, like, I don't know, it's a class thing. Being not from that set mode, I can't explain it to you very much. But we have all seen cases of it, probably even experienced it. See, recently Spice she did at Walmart and it was a settings. And just say it wasn't a white person with did her in a way, it was somebody colored. And the man assume say, one, she have too much things. Then they must say, where she get the money to pay for each or cash? Why she not go card? Why you not leave people alone? People choose and say cash or debit. Then why you ask people cash or debit if you don't want them paid cash? You understand? You know who overs that. But that is just one experience or one example. And Spicy, and numerous times at different places she experienced it over her time traveling. I think she said it even happened to her locally, but that's a reason for a different situation. But one set of laws for one set of people. I said, look, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know how you feel. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And yes, I am reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share on the vlog. In truth, yes, And the ones them know say you just watch this and them need for check it out. Bust a share on the vlog. Comment section open 24/7, never lock it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts and comments and your opinions there. And yes, we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know what I mean? So that mind, you know what I mean? Yes, and we will be live later on. So look out for that too as well. You know there's something go out more settings fam. And we don't need a lot, and my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love and prosper until the reason again.